Dental implants are artificial tooth roots made from biocompatible materials like titanium. They offer a reliable foundation for replacement teeth. The solution stands apart from traditional methods like bridges or dentures, providing a permanent and aesthetically pleasing option for those experiencing tooth loss. Reasons for tooth loss include decay, trauma, and aging. It negatively impacts one's ability to chew and speak, as well as one's self-esteem. Without seeking immediate treatment, these damages can lead to further oral health issues like bone resorption and facial structure changes. Restoring your smile begins with a thorough preoperative assessment to ensure your gums and jawbone are ready for the implant. During the surgery, your dentist will place the implant directly into your jawbone, requiring several months to integrate fully, a process known as osseointegration. This crucial phase provides the stable base needed for the new tooth. Once healing is complete, an abutment is placed, which will hold the custom-designed crown. This final restoration looks and functions just like your natural teeth. Dental implants enhance both the beauty and function of your smile. They're a convenient option since they require similar maintenance as natural teeth, and they're designed to be a long-lasting and cost-effective solution for permanent tooth replacement. Bottom line, dental implants restore full chewing function, improve oral health, and boost your confidence, allowing you to smile freely and engage comfortably in everyday activities. For dental professionals, ensuring the success of implant procedures is paramount, and it starts with having the right equipment. At dentalfinds.com, we equip you with high-quality, reliable tools needed for these intricate procedures. Explore our extensive range of dental implant equipment and enhance your practice today at dentalfinds.com.